What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we'll be working on El Yonke, or my Yukon. I'm finally going to take it to the suspension shop to get some work done. But before I do that, I need to take off the whole interior on it, because they will be cutting into the floor. So I need to take off the carpet and all these side pieces. They need to come off so they can work on it, because it is going to get cut. The truck's getting a step notch, and it's also getting a shock relocations. So it's getting those two things for now. I do want tubs on it, but not yet, because I don't know what type of rims I want to get. If I want to get some big, or I just want regular rims. So for now, it's getting a step notch and shock relocations, and then I'm going to be doing the flip kit on it to drop it. So, but for now, we got to take off this interior, and we'll take it down to AA Fab Shop, which they're the one that's going to be doing the step notch and the shock relocation. So let's get started on taking this interior off. Alright guys, so all the panels are off. Now I just need to cut the carpet, because it's all one piece. So I'm going to cut it right there where the seats are, back, and then all this comes off. Alright guys, as y'all can see, I got everything taken apart. Carpet, side panels, everything that needed to come off, it's already off. I also gave it a good clean. Bien limpiecito. These are the shocks that I'm going to be using. Some Beltec Street Performance. So I'm going to be going with these, with the shocks. So ya se los puse ahí. So we're here at AA Fab Shop dropping off my Yukon. He's going to work on it. He should be done by tomorrow. So it's currently the next day, and the Yukon is ready. AA Fab Shop finished the step notch with shock relocations. Came out sick. Ride smooth. It was riding on the frame before I even took it to A&A Fab Shop. On my way over here, it rode extremely smooth. Now the brackets are adjustable, since I still don't do the flip kit on it. But once I do the flip kit and lower it how I want it, I just need to loose up the bolts and turn it all the way down, and the shocks are ready to go. So it's adjustable, so big plus for that. I still got to do more things to it before I actually do the flip kit on it. Like the gas tank, that's going to be on the way. this gas filler right here. This right here is going to be on the way, because the axle is going to go up and it's going to be on the way. So for that, I either got to do a custom fuel cell or get a 2-door Tahoe or Yukon gas tank, which mounts underneath here. I'm searching, or if y'all know of anyone that's parting out a 2-door Tahoe or Yukon, or that has a fuel tank from a 2-door Tahoe or Yukon, let me know, because I will be needing one. But yeah, guys, good work. I'm extremely happy with it, and this is just the beginning. This is part 1 of what I need to do to drop it to the ground, or drop it the way I want to drop it. Y'all stay tuned for the upcoming videos. I'll post the AA Fab Shop info on my description, or I'll put it somewhere around here on the screen. So yeah, make sure y'all hit them up for y'all suspension needs. Tubs, lifts, drops, step notches, underbed notches, shot relocations. He does it all, so make sure y'all hit him up. This is just the beginning of dropping the Tahoe or my Yukon. But y'all stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Y'all make sure y'all like, subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Like it, share, comment, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you on the next one. Y'all stay tuned.